Oh, hello there.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hi. My stick has a hat.
My stick does not. Neither of them do. Where are you walking today, Mr. Green?
Have you asked me that because you don't know?
Such an edge. Yes, I don't know.
We're going to Sauria. So the big group of Italians that we've kind of been hanging out with in the evenings, they've all planned to go there, and they plan on finishing on the 27th as well. So we might as well. We're thinking of just like chilling with them for the rest of the time, because at this point we're just like some big happy family at the moment. Yesterday was a lot of fun in the hostel. They had a guitar again, so we all sang songs. We had like tapas things, and yeah, no, it was really fun actually. Yeah. So in a few days we are going to be in Santiago.
It's crazy to think about. It's crazy. Put the brakes on.
In a few days. My hair is awful.
So is mine.
Yeah, but you're wearing a hat. In a few days we're going to be in Santiago. That is absolutely insane. This whole journey has been painful.
It's been an experience.
Yeah, no, it's been fantastic, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But it's all been
For the children.
for the children.
For you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So, yeah, it's been worth it.
Yeah.
It's been worth it.
So every single penny that gets raised goes straight to the school to, well, essentially provide resources and anything for the children that's needed. And I'm really proud of what we're doing.
Yeah. Well, it's just been fantastic.
It's good. Yesterday we passed the 150k mark. That was brilliant. We haven't talked about it yet.
Halfway tomorrow is the 100-kilometre mark.
These numbers are all crazy.
Just to remind you, we started at 790 kilometres.
And just to remind you, we're doing an extra 70 or 80 kilometres after Santiago.
So the 100 mark isn't the 100 mark for us.
For us. It's a never-ending journey. But all for a good cause.
Hey, how's you? Good. We're in Samos at the moment.
Yes. This is our final destination for today.
We didn't
Good
go.
time.
Yeah, we didn't go as far today, but there's a reason for this. Now we are very close to the 100k mark, and the city or the place the stop just before the 100k mark is a place called Seria. Seria. It will be here. The place that is just here. But yeah, but apparently it's not very nice. It's too big, it's too
we've
crowded.
Heard that it's very urban and very busy.
Yeah, it's just really busy because people go there to start the 100k.
So lots of people start the Camino at different locations, and this is the shortest distance that people start at, and it's quite a common.
Yeah, so to get the certificate at the end, the actual certificate at the end, all you have to do is the 100k at the end, which for everyone who's done the whole thing is a bit annoying. We should get a medal or something, or a donation if you haven't already.
We're looking at you.
See what I did there? No, you.
Yeah, you.
Look into my eyes, not around the eyes, into the eyes, and you donated. Good. Yeah.
Right.
So we are past the point of where Reverend Fee started, so we are walking in her footsteps at the moment.
Past the point of no return as well.
Yeah, if we return now, we'd be doing like 1,200 kilometers, and that would be
fun.
Stupid.
So we're not actually sure yet where we're staying, but it'll be somewhere here.
I don't know. It'll be somewhere over there. It's really bright.
It is really bright.
It's
because it's sunny in Spain, Mr. Green.
Oh yeah, I didn't realise. I thought it was raining. I mean, it looks like it's been raining.
Under our hats, it's been raining. He's got a little shower in the hat. It just keeps his hair wet.
Definitely a shower. I've been having a shower.
We do shower every day, keep clean. Everything's good. Apart from the walking is tiring. And the sun is hot.
I got a new stick.
By the way,
come on. Are you ready? So this was the original stick.
Okay, sell it to us, Mr. Green. Sell it to us.
This was the original stick. It's quite nice. Don't get the other one in. It's quite nice. It's about.
Oh, there's a car.
Right, so yeah, this is the first stick, and if you look at it carefully, it has the same kind of shape as a
broomstick.
A broomstick from Harry Potter, like the Nimbus 2000s and stuff. So, but it also has, it has a notch here. Oh no, I was saying, it follows the line of my body, like straight, and then it comes out a little bit.
Whoa, look at that, whoa!
Comes out a little bit like that, right? So it grips in front of me, right? Also with this design, I made it myself. The branch here allows me to put my thumb on my hand there, so it won't come down.
Question,
So no slipping.
when does a twig become a branch? At what
Very
stage?
good question. I've got a better question, right? Comment down below, do penguins have knees?
Or do they have 5 ankles? Or 1 ankle? We'll never know, unless
Or
you
no
answer.
ankles?
Or no ankles.
Or just shins? Or thighs?
And do they have flippers on their feet, or do they put little flipper shoes on every morning?
Crocs? Oh, very, very big question.
I think they'd be scared of Crocs actually.
Anyway, this was the old stick. Well, not the old stick, I'm still using it. I feel like a wizard with this. Think about what I feel like with this.
Dun dun dun.
Whoa-pow! It's bigger. It's more alive, I'd say. It's got more stuff on it. And it just keeps going. Oh, it doesn't. It stops there. But it just keeps going down. Whoop. There you go. This one's straighter. It's stronger. I'd love if it broke. But no, it didn't.
I'd laugh if you broke the
The floor.
But
Probably more likely. But yeah, this is the new and updated stick. It's not got that many design features on it just yet, but I'm sure that with the help of these roots, I can put my fingers underneath.
Oh. Work in progress. Work in progress.
Here you go, Mr. Cook. You can have this stick.
And here's my stick
Or
that
twig.
I've been walking along with. It's got some special design features. It's got some things sticking out of it to keep my hands. No, I've only got one. I only want one.
Okay.
It's got some things sticking out of it which keep me occupied if I'm bored.
Hey,
Just
Mr.
poke
Cook.
them.
Leave it alone.
Okay.
Hey. Can't believe he did that. These
Sorry,
jokes
guys.
are all
I'm
gonna
really sorry.
stem from somewhere. You didn't think I would say that. Like, treat yourself. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna put the stick down and leave. Hi.
Don't worry, guys. Oh, there, I still got Yannick. Yannick and I can do this together. So, we're staying somewhere here today. Somewhere there. Looks really cool. There's a river down there as well. We're going to find somewhere to stay. I'll be right back.
Hey guys, we're in Samos, we're by a river, we're on a patch of grass with mint on it. Brilliant. Bye! Before Yannick comes. Oh,